Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Chemistry with TV. In this current series, I am going to tackle some of the toughest combustion analysis questions for A-level chemistry. And these are all related to find out the empirical and molecular formula of a hydrocarbon. So here's my first question, in which masses of carbon dioxide and water are given, and we are supposed to find out the empirical and the molecular formula from this information. So we can see that from the mass of carbon dioxide here, we can work out the number of moles of carbon dioxide by dividing the 1.10 by 44. So we get 0.025 moles of carbon dioxide. Now the number of moles of one carbon dioxide has one carbon. So therefore number of moles of carbon is going to be the same. And mass of this carbon is going to be twice the moles, or we can see that it's 0.3 grams. Similarly, we can work out the mass of hydrogen atoms also by first working out the number of moles of water. The number of moles of water will be 0.45 divided by 18, and when we do that, then number of moles is going to be 0.025 moles. The number of moles of hydrogen, because each water has two hydrogens, so therefore 0.05 moles of hydrogen will be there, and mass of hydrogen in that case will be, because 1 mole of hydrogen atoms weigh 1 gram, so therefore 0.05 grams. Now we have mass of carbon, we also have the mass of hydrogen, so we can find out the mass of oxygen by subtracting from 0.43 minus 0.3 plus 0.05, which gives us mass of oxygen as 0.08 grams. So we can find out the number of moles of oxygen as well. 0.08 mass over mR, which is 18. So we get 0.005 moles of oxygen. Now by just working out a molar ratio of these three, we will see that the number of moles of carbon was 0.025, number of moles of hydrogen was 0.05, and number of moles of oxygen was 0.005 moles. So by dividing everything by 0.005, we'll get 1 of this, 10 and 5. So the empirical formula is C5H10O, and the mass from the empirical formula is 86. So therefore we can see that which is the same as the MR which is given to us. So therefore the molecular formula and empirical formula are the same, or C5H10O is the molecular formula. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching this, and if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video on this series. Good luck and take care.